Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I'm so excited for today's video because I get to show you my 5-minute, and I seriously mean 5-minute makeup routine. This is what I've been doing every day and I'm just really eager to share it. So short, so easy, so convenient, and everything's on sale right now that I'm gonna talk about because I have to say a huge thanks to YouTube for sponsoring today's video. I didn't even know YouTube could sponsor your video. This is like the coolest thing ever. So I'm doing this video in honor of Sephora's sale that they're having right now. And I'm gonna put on the screen like all the details, everything you need to know about the sale because there are different discounts for different tiers of Sephora. Everything I used is on sale on Sephora right now, so I will make sure to link. You guys can actually shop all the products in this video through YouTube shopping just by clicking the shop button down below. I just want to be so transparent. If you guys do buy anything using my affiliate links, I might make a small commission. Regardless, I'm just really excited to show you these products. I'm really excited for you guys to take advantage of this sale. I can attest that this lasts long. It lasts me through workouts. It's the real deal. So shop the real deal with me and with YouTube, and let's get started on this look. I'm so excited to show you. Okay, for a good makeup routine, rolling out of bed, waking up, doing a little this, little that, and being done, skincare is everything. I have to have a good base. This is the only way your makeup is gonna sit and look beautiful on the skin. I've been obsessed with this brand, the Inky List. And then, as you guys know, I love my Augustinus Bader. This is way more cost efficient, so we're gonna use this today. I love using this before my makeup because it's really light and it doesn't really have a scent, and it just feels extremely hydrating. I always let the skincare, whatever you choose to do before, set in the skin. You can kind of let it like dry and get that nice like tacky. So I like to do a contour stick to start out. These are the places I like to put it, and then I'm just gonna take a brush and quickly buff it in. Straight to concealer. I love my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This lasts me through everything. Sometimes, I know some people are like, don't wear makeup before you work out, but sometimes I just feel like shit and I want to wake up and put a little concealer on, okay? And when I do, it doesn't move. It's actually the real deal. So I do it in those spots there. I think a misconception is using a lot and it's gonna get a lot of coverage, but if you actually use a little bit, you will be so wowed. If you have acne, I think a really good spot concealer is the Hourglass concealer, but I don't like to do that for under my eyes. It's just, or on top of my nose, it's just a little bit drying for me. I love using a fluffy brush to just lightly buff this in. I think because I struggle with eczema and redness around the nose and mouth, this is kind of why I adopted this routine, because I didn't want to put like heavy makeup on every day, but I also really didn't want to see my redness. Okay, so that's that. I'm doing my Benefit Watts Up highlight. We all know I've loved this for forever. I also love my Charlotte Tilbury highlight. I'm gonna link a couple of my favorite Sephora products on here in case you want to try something new. So I'll do that through the YouTube shopping links, and you guys can shop all the products in this video. But I just love my Benefit Watts Up. I think it's so beautiful. So I just do a little bit on the tops of my cheekbones, and that's really it for where I put the highlight, and of course the tip of my nose. Just go like that. Boom. I'm gonna do a little bit of this Laneige lip mask. I honestly think this is one of the only products that hydrates my lips, and I'm obsessed with it. I rarely fill in my brows anymore. If I do, I'm just kind of filling in the tail. I do this sometimes. The filling in part's not that important to me because I'm Italian and I have thick ass brows. This product I discovered a few months back and I've never used anything else. It's the Refi Brow Sculpt. If you buy anything from this Sephora sale, please try this. I'm actually obsessed with it. I think it just makes your eyebrows so fluffy and so pretty, and it lasts all day. This stuff is literal glue. It also has a cool feature because it laminates your eyebrows for you, or gives you that like lamination look. I personally don't use that because sometimes I feel like it sticks them down too much, but if you want to, you just pop off the cap and then you just, I'm only putting powder right here. And this is my Charlotte Tilbury pressed powder. Okay, forehead and chin. We're almost done. I'm gonna use a little bit of my Freck pen, and I'll show you how I do this. I take some dots like that, and then I just blend them in so it really looks natural. Then I'll just take my Sephora collection, what's this called? An eyelash curler. And my makeup artist, actually from Dancing with the Stars, taught me you hold for 10, 9, 8. And then the last thing we're doing is setting it off with this Milk Grip Set and Refresh Spray. I'm obsessed with this. You definitely want to let this like dry, the same way you let your moisturizer dry. I like to just fan it in with my hands. You can use an actual fan, whatever you have. Oh, and lips, of course. I'm just constantly wearing lip liner, so I forgot, but I'm actually gonna show you the lip liner I'm using in this video. My current obsession is Charlotte Tilbury Super Size Me. I really love this lip liner. I only overline the Cupid's bow, just like that. And then I guess I overline the top a little, but barely. A little bit more. This is the finished look. I am so obsessed with this. It's really what I do every day, and it's something that lasts me all day. It never ends up looking bad. I really like taking powder out of my routine from like my under eyes and around here. I think it just makes my makeup look so much better throughout the day for me personally. So maybe give that a shot if you want. It takes 5 minutes. It's so easy. Obviously it took me longer because I was like talking through it, but it normally takes me actually 5 minutes in my morning, and it makes me feel 100 times better throughout my day. I'm so glad I filmed this video because I really wanted to share my updated summer routine and something that's gonna work all season. Happy shopping, happy sale. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.